Hello children, today we will start parts of sentence. A sentence has two parts. First is subject and a second is predicate. Now what is a subject? Somebody or something that does work or has a state in a sentence is said to be the subject. कोई व्यक्ति या कोई वस्तु जो किसी कार्य को करता है या किसी अवस्था के बारे में सेंटेंस में बतलाता है, that is called a subject. In a simple way, you can say that a person or thing who perform the action is called a subject. Now how to find out the subject in a sentence? Children, there's simple trick you have to apply there. You have to ask the question to use who and what. आपको सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन करना है who और what को यूज़ करके, और जो भी आंसर मिलेगा that is your subject. At the place of subject, the mostly there are use a noun, a pronoun, a both are used. सब्जेक्ट के प्लेस पर या तो नाउन होता है या तो प्रोनाउन होता है या तो दोनों का यूज़ होता है. तो आपको क्या करना है, you have to ask a question to use a who and what, and whatever answer you get, that is your subject. Clear children? What is a subject? कोई पर्सन या कोई व्यक्ति जो किसी कार्य को करता है वो क्या होता है, सब्जेक्ट कहलाता है. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. Rina is waiting for you. Now ask the question, who is waiting for you? So you get an answer, Rina. So Rina is your subject and is waiting for you is your predicate. Now look at the second example. Tina is a good girl. You ask the question, who is a good girl? You get an answer, Tina. So Tina is your subject and the rest of part is your predicate. Now there's another trick you can use to find out the subject. Which word is come before the before a verb. Clear? Which word come before a verb, that is a subject. Now you know कि which words come before a helping verb or the main verb, that word is used as a subject. Now here is a he is here subject. Clear? And now look at the second example. Dance is here verb. So before a dance, whatever is used here, that is a subject. So children, in this way you can also find out कि which word is used as a subject in a sentence. Now what is a predicate? Predicate is a part of sentence that tells us something about the subject. Now what is said about the subject, that is a predicate. Subject के बारे में जो भी कहा जाए, that is a predicate. The rest of part in a sentence that tell us what the subject did or does, that is called a predicate. predicate क्या होता है? predicate भी सेंटेंस का ही एक पार्ट होता है जो कि यह बताता है कि सब्जेक्ट ने सेंटेंस में क्या कार्य किए या उसने उनके सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा किए गए एक्शन के बारे में बताता है, that is called a predicate. देखिए नाउ द predicate start from a verb, from where the verb is used, from where the predicate start. Now when you have to find out the predicate, you ask the question what about it, क्या बारे में, and whatever answer you get, that is your predicate. Now the predicate cover the these are parts, helping verb, main verb, object and other words. Now look at the example. All students are playing football. So now here all students is here subject and are playing football is here predicate. So children, now I hope that you got it what is the subject and predicate. सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है? जो किसी कार्य को करता है, जो डूअर होता है वो क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट होता है. और सब्जेक्ट के बारे में सब्जेक्ट जो कार्य करता है, सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जो पार्ट सेंटेंस में बताता है, दैट इज़ अ प्रेडिकेट. सो नाउ अ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस रिक्वायर अ सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. किसी भी कंप्लीट सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट का होना ज़रूरी होता है. सो चिल्ड्रन, नाउ वॉच दिस वीडियो केयरफुली and the rest of part we will cover in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.